Today we are in Bathpool to see this fantastically sized 3-bedroom semi, nearly new. Internally you have kitchen diner, you've got a master en suite, nice big rooms, lovely private garden to the rear and double parking to the front. Ladies and gentlemen, welcome home. Okay, so thank you very much for letting me show you around today. If you'd like to book a viewing on the property or would like me to come and value your home, I'd love that. Please do get in contact and I hope to speak to you very soon. Thank you.